Hello friends, you're watching Science with Savi and I'm your friend Savita. In today's video, I will be talking about a very amazing free online tool which you can use in your virtual classes, and it is Quizlet. Quizlet is a completely free app. The basic free version of Quizlet is exactly best for the use of the teacher, so I don't think you need to go for the paid version of Quizlet. What is Quizlet basically? Quizlet is an app through which you can share the terms and definitions of the chapter with the students. I personally use Quizlet for sharing the terms and definitions. I take out all the terms and definitions, those 2-3 lines definitions and terms from the chapter, and I use all the material of these terms and definition and prepare a study set in Quizlet. So once the study set in the Quizlet has been prepared, you can even add diagrams to each term and definitions over there. There are options. The set can be saved in a folder too. So once the set is prepared, okay, you will share this set by copying the link, and then you can send it through your messages, or you can even mail the link of the Quizlet study set to the students. But what is the best part in it? Okay, so whatever information which I have put in the study set, the child will get to view it in 7 different forms. So when the child will access Quizlet, enter into Quizlet, he will be able to see all those terms and definitions in 7 different forms. It will come in the form of a flashcard, it will come as multiple choice, it will come in the form of quiz. Even the spelling practice can be done through Quizlet. The writing part of the definition will come in Quizlet. You can even, the Quizlet also offers match the pairs form. There also a kind of gravity game. So there are 7 different ways by which the terms and definition the child is going to learn it. It really works best. I have tried. So I will not talk about it more. I will take you to my screen and I will share you how you can make the Quizlet study set, how you can use it, how you can share it, and let's just go and explore it. So I'll go to the Google search, I'll open Quizlet and I will enter into the main page. Since I've already logged in, so you can see my main page over here. You will find an option of create, and there are 3 options: study set, folder and class. So you can do all the 3. So you will see the study sets which I have already prepared here. I'm going to the study set which I have prepared. This is the way the study set the child is going to look. The study set of human excretory system. The child, when he goes to Quizlet, he will see it in this form. I will go to edit and show you how the study set actually looks like. So this is the edit page. I have gone to the study set. You will see the topic, you will see the description, and you will see here how I have entered the terms and their definitions. I have also added pictures. There are all options here. Now let's see how the child is going to view the Quizlet. So the child will see the Quizlet study set in this form, and the first option is the flashcard. So I have gone into the flashcard option, and you will see, start looking at the flashcards. You can also hear the audio over here.
The kidneys have an inner concave structure. The blood vessels, ureter and nerves enter the...
Isn't it amazing? So the next option after the flashcard comes here is the learn option. So now we are going to the learn option, and here you will see some multiple choice questions. You have to just click the answers and see whether you are correct or not. It's a very good way of revising the topic which you have already done. That is why I really like Quizlet so much, because it offers so many options. Like over here again, there is a question and I have put a wrong answer. So you will see that it will tell you that you have to study this again. It will revise you on its own. So from here we come to the next option, which is write. So this is also an amazing option in Quizlet. So here the definition will be given and you have to write the term. It's a very good way of revision. You can test yourself. The next one is spell. This is very interesting. So you will click here, the sound will come, and then you have to write the spelling. It's a very good way. You can revise your spellings through this. Then after spell comes test. Test is really made in such an amazing way. All type of questions are there. There are written questions, multiple choice, there are matching questions, then they are matching the pairs. So a series of questions are there. So once you have learned all the terms and definitions from Quizlet, you can attempt this test. So there are so many other ways. There are 2 other ways by which you can explore in Quizlet. I'm not going to tell you this now. You can just go Quizlet and explore it and prepare your own study sets and start sharing with your children. I really hope you liked how Quizlet works. So I really encourage all the educators out there to please start using Quizlets for sharing the terms and definitions of the chapters. It really makes learning so innovative and fun for the children. So I really hope that you like the video. Please do not forget to like it, share it, and do subscribe it, and also hit the bell icon. And please share with more and more teachers of your fraternity, of your community, so that we can really start using innovative ways and improve our teaching and learning process. So thank you so much. Take a lot of care of yourself. Keep shining and keep smiling. Bye bye.